refer to the Ministry of Home and go for the redressal of whatever has been said. Why I am focusing on these two very issues? These two we consider as prelude to opinion. Time has come for taking up the issue of resettlement of Kashmiri Pandits in Valley again, as per the geopolitical aspirations of the community. And for that, two things are very important. Number one is the constitution of the board, and number two is the establishment of Special Crimes Tribunal, because it will give the necessary confidence. They are the confidence building measures for the community. So I would request, right from the Honorable Prime Minister of India down to the Lieutenant Governor of the UT, to initiate these two programs. First, constitution of the board for temples, and second, establishment of Special Crimes Tribunal. I need also to say that a very good thing has happened over the last 2-3 months, and I need to inform you that all those Kashmiri Pandits who were living, all those Hindus who were living in the valley, they have also been given a chance, an opportunity to apply in the recently advertised jobs by Jammu Kashmir Service Selection Board. 500 such posts have been reserved for them. If there are any kinds of hiccups, as they have told me that they are being asked for non-migrant certificates, I need to assure that this issue has been taken up with the administration, and at the time of when they will be applying, there will be no need to give this certificate. Only the selected candidates will be required to give this certificate, which will be issued by the respective deputy commissioners. In this connection, divisional commissioner, to convey this message to all those who are living here, who are not migrants, who are non-migrants here living. It is for the first time for the last 30 years that such an opportunity is being provided to them. I request through you to convey this message to them, because there are only 10 or 12 days in between up to 21st that they will have to do this exercise. So it is a huge, in my opinion, bonanza for all of them who are living here. Moreover, we will think about them as well in future course of taxation. I have contacted them. Certain more things will be done for them. Then another thing about these GDC elections, I want to very clarify that the kind of enthusiasm and participation is there. It simply means that the first 3 A's, which cost Kashmir, rather the whole Jammu and Kashmir, 1 lakh of people for the last 3 decades, have gone deep down the ground. The first A is Azadi, the second A is autonomy, the third is Article 370. All the 3 A's have gone deep down the ground. I request everyone here, whether he is from the common people, public, or from the administration, government, political parties, or even religious bodies, I request all of them, time has come for Kashmir to regenerate itself, to recreate itself. This is for the people of this state to decide ultimately what we want. Government of India will be giving everything that Kashmir would need, but we need those people who can utilize the resources. Kashmir needs to be changed, and here is an opportunity. GDC elections have given one opportunity, there will be another opportunity. I will wait for the day that the Delimitation Commission completes its process, and then the assembly elections are also held. Simultaneously, business proposals will come, entrepreneurs will also come. I will request all of you, when I am here, I want to specifically clear, at least one thing clarified. When we are in the opposition, we raise the demands. But when we are in the government, we are there to deliver. It is not that we will go for dharnas and rallies always. We are here to deliver. And you are here to raise, through your own mechanism, those voices which need to be heard by us. Kindly bring those voices where you want welfare of the people. We are here to hear them, rather we are here to deliver. So my request is, so far as Kashmir is concerned, we are on a threshold, we are on a new creation of history. I request all of you to convey my message to the people. It is with this specific purpose that I am on a 2 days tour of the valley, and I believe this will continue. Despite whatever is happening, cold is there, then COVID-19 is there, then other issues are there, but I will be coming regularly, as I said earlier, and I will be personally interacting with the people in districts so far as the political issues are concerned, welfare measures are concerned, and minorities issues are concerned. These are the main issues now that we have to take, and with this I request all of you that if you have any kind of a question, kindly put.
सर 2 सवाल है मेरे. आपने कहा
Please,
कि
it has come out. Rather, it is coming out from a very difficult security scenario that we all know. Most of the things that are done here are done on the advice of security agencies. I will give you one example. You must have been seeing VIP politicians not being allowed to go to the places they want during these DDC elections.
Sir, only
It
Gukar.
is- I am coming to that. It is because they are being allowed to go, then the problem. It is on the basis of the security agencies. Same with the 4G.
Sir, please, sir,
But